Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the cost of a road accidents, guys. Okay, so accidents cause a considerable economic loss. So basically, when an accident occur, it is not only a loss for the life or loss of money and everything. So it even causes the damage to the public property, right? Like the roads, the lanes, and all those things, right? Yes. So accidents cause a considerable economic loss to the nation. So estimate of a cost of accidents involves cost invalued in injury and death of the victim. So basically, if there is any cost involved in the death of the victim as well as in his injuries, so cost involved in the damage of the vehicle, so cost involved in the property damage, cost due to the investigation and legal processes. So basically the government or the polices will do some investigation and all those things, right? Hence this is also will be an issue, guys. Okay, yes. So the methods of accident costing is nothing but the gross outcome or human capital approach. So here you will be just adding the cost, that's it, guys. So in this approach, the accident cost is equals to vehicle damage cost plus comma medical cost plus discounted present value of victim future output. Okay, so you will be just summing them and you will be getting the gross output. Okay, yes. So that is one type of cost. Similarly, the net output approach. Okay, so this approach is subtracts from the gross output the amount of victim future compensation. Okay, so basically if that victim is giving any consumption, so if he is giving any money back to the government to repair that things, so that thing will be removed from the original total amount. So that is nothing but the net output. Similarly, the life insurance approach, so this treats the cost of accident or the value of accident prevention as a sum of real resource cost and the amount for which the typical individual are willing to take the insurance. So basically insurance company will return some money, right? So whenever something bad happens, so that is the reason why that money could accomplish the requirements, right? Yes. Similarly, the court awarded approach, so this approach considers the amount awarded by the court to surviving dependence of those killed in that accident. So if someone is being killed, so the government will return some money to them, right? So they'll be announcing that money. So that is nothing but the court awarded approach. Similarly, the implicit public sector valuation approach, so this approach is based on the cost and all those things, guys, the values that are implicitly placed on an accident prevention in safety things. Okay, yes. So the last type is nothing but the value of risk changing approach. This approach that a typical public sector investigation in traffic safety, and according to those estimates you will be returning the value. So these are different 6 approaches, guys. I think I'm also not that much clear with the topic, guys, so that is the reason why I've just given you an overview here. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea on this topic. So now we are done with the 4th unit, guys. So in the next lecture we will be reviewing this unit, like which are the important topics and which we can expect the questions, and after that we will be starting with the 5th unit, guys. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you, thanks for watching.